When you're finished using the Ninja Blast Max, there are 3 easy ways to clean it. For a quick clean, simply remove the twist and go vessel from the motor base, take the lid off, fill with water to the 6-ounce line, and add a drop of soap. Reattach the vessel to the motor base, turn the unit on, and press blend. After a few seconds, press the blend button again to stop the program. Remove the twist and go vessel and rinse the inside with warm water. This is great for occasions where you want a quick rinse between recipes. Alternatively, you can hand wash. Begin by removing the vessel from the motor base and taking the lid off. Wash the lid and vessel using warm, soapy water. Be sure to use a long-stemmed dishwashing utensil to clean the blades. Let all the parts air dry, and then you're ready to go. For a deeper clean, you can also dishwash the vessel and lid. Remove the vessel and lid from the motor base and place each piece separately on the dish rack in your dishwasher. Do not use a heated dry cycle when cleaning these pieces. If you need to clean your motor base, you can wipe it down with a damp cloth. Be sure not to expose or submerge the motor base in water or other liquid. Looking for more recipe inspiration or have more questions? Visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for.